And we created our first playbook with only one play. Now let's recap the main aspects regarding playbooks. Playbooks define variables, configurations, deployment steps, assign roles, perform multiple tasks. For example, you can copy or delete files and folders, install packages, start services, and so on. So primarily, playbooks are defined to orchestrate the steps to multiple machines or servers. As you might remember, playbook is written in YAML format with a .yaml file extension. And one needs to be very careful with the format and alignment, which makes it very sensitive. As you might remember, it contains the following sections. First of all, you have to start the playbook with 3 hyphens. Then goes host section, variable section, and task section. Host section defines the target machines on which the playbook should run. This is based on the Ansible inventory file. Variable section is optional and can be declared or not. In this section you declare all the variables needed in the playbook. And task section lists out all the tasks that should be executed on the target machine. It specifies the use of modules, and every task has a name, which is a small description of what the task will do and will be listed while the playbook is run.